Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about Bitcoin, and we're also going to answer, are we going to see an alt season really soon? So, guys, comment down below. What price do you think Bitcoin will get to before the end of the year? I may give that prediction as well. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So today we are October 29th of 2024, and Bitcoin hit 73,500, somewhere around there. So let's take a look on the day. So 73,500, that is wild to think about. On the year, doing well, over 100%. And if you take a look here, it looks like, we talked about it last week, but really we have a breakout right here. So once we hit over 68, we just, we're set up to go to the upside. So are we going to see what we did in 2020? So it's looking similar, right? You got this pattern going down, boom. So pattern going down, boom. The thing is with Bitcoin is that everybody knows what it is now, at least compared to even just 4 years ago. So much has happened. We're also going to talk about it in a different video, but with UTXO and whatnot, there's going to be interoperability with the Cardano blockchain and more, right? We now have spot ETFs in several of them. We have a lot going on with Bitcoin itself. So Bitcoin is the store of value, the largest proof of work blockchain in the world. And I think it's going to be viewed that way for quite a while. Taking a look at other projects, they have not pumped yet. And I think that adds opportunity. So guys, invest at your own risk, but I'm going to be doing a top 5 must buy altcoins. So I'm going to share with you the alts that I think will pump next. So typically the way it works is that Bitcoin, when it hits all-time highs, when we have a major breakout, which potentially, again, imagine that we are 2016 going into 2017, 18. Imagine we are 2020 right before a breakout and going to astronomical levels. So that's what we're assuming here. Again, we're playing long. That's what we do. But if we were to assume that we're breaking out now and we're going to go to, past 100K, let's say elections are favorable for Bitcoin, alts are going to run after that. So especially this time, because so many projects are being built. And again, think about it this way. The Bitcoin dominance at 58.8%, I believe it peaked at around 60%. Once a lot of new money gets into Bitcoin, people are going to get bored with it. And they're going to be like, well, what else is going on with crypto? And that's where alts come in. So alternative assets. So alts are just something that's not Bitcoin. And there are a lot of great projects and a lot of good layer ones. So Ethereum, it's already been doing well. I believe it's crushing it on the year now. Let's take a look. I don't have a lot of ETH. Guys, comment down below. What are your top picks? So on the year, it's doing all right. I guess on the month hasn't done much. But on the year, it's up 50%. That's great. All time, it's crushing it. So unlike Bitcoin, with Ethereum, it's an all-purpose smart contract-based platform. So basically, you can have self-executing activity on a blockchain. So this is where you can build games, staking protocols, etc. You can have things being built on top of Ethereum, and you have smart contracts, right? So self-executing activity. Basically, you can build businesses, and you can do a lot more than just send Bitcoin from wallet to wallet. So it's more than just a token with Ethereum, similar to Solana, Cardano, AVAX. What else we got here? Let's just take those for example. Those are layer 1 smart contract protocols where you can build on top of it. And for example, Solana is a lot cheaper, but Ethereum is first. It is the big one, so I'll give that. So it's my opinion that Ethereum from today on, so today we're October 29th, 2024, ETH is going to do very well. You will see a lot of ERC20 tokens. Those are tokens that utilizes security of Ethereum, and you can build, for example, decentralized storage. You've got AI projects. So a lot going on with that. Also staking, right? You can do yield farming and you can provide liquidity and you can really become your own bank with other projects. So guys, stay tuned for my 5 must buy altcoins. That's going to be an absolute beauty. So it's my opinion that, for example, we talk about Cardano a lot here. So much going on here. We now have the UTXO being interoperable with Bitcoin. That's going to happen. I think so much has happened with ADA, and a lot of it, the price has not pumped, right? Since smart contracts, since midnight, that's going to be coming out, a partner chain. You have this Bitcoin interoperability. You have so much happening, so many DEXs and projects, and you're going to have games being built on ADA. This is going to be a big winner. So again, pick whatever one you want. Guys, typically anything in the top 10 here, they're going to be great. I think Doge is going to do very well still. Ton's probably going to do well, but I think ADA, I think Tron's okay, but Solana's very good. BNB's good. Ethereum's really good. Bitcoin, those are the ones, but we're waiting for Altseason. So guys, watch my 5 must-buy alts. I'm giving you guys the 5 alts that I've been buying and holding and the ones that I would be getting today. So guys, head over to the channel, subscribe to Crypto Moose, and check out the link tree. So with the link tree, you guys can also use code Moose. I'm wearing one right now, but you guys can use code Moose, save 10% off your hardware wallet. So under $50, you can use a cold storage wallet or card that fits in your wallet. So here we got the 3-card set. There's a limited edition Bitcoin one. I think that's sick. These ones are absolutely fire. So the Moose would get loose on these if he didn't already have 19 other hardware wallets. We do have other online courses. We have a link for you to use to support the channel under Trezor. But the big one right here is new projects and meld. We have so much to talk about. But guys, we do have a free Cardono mini course. I'm working on a Bitcoin course. So that's going to be coming out. But anyways, guys, comment down below. What do you think is going to happen? What will Bitcoin's price be by the end of the year? And will we see an alt season? I think we will. So the Moose is getting loose. We'll see you in the next one.